Hello, I will integrate multiplayer top-down camera in a third-person template. It is a classic third-person, and let's go. Okay, to introduce the multiplayer top-down camera, you can just go there, take the multiplayer top-down camera, and you have something else to do, is to go in content. You can open your character blueprint here. And you just have to add the MTC multiplayer top-down camera component. Okay, now if you click play, you will see that the camera is in top-down version. And, if I want to move, okay, but since the camera has changed, I recommend you to remove this part of the movement input and to replace this by move right, right vector, get right vector for this one, and here remove this and to add a forward, get forward vector. In this configuration, your player will go front, back, right, and left, and everything. But the interesting part is if you go into multiplayer here like this, you will see that your camera is following both the player, and if I go there, it is able to zoom and unzoom, and I can come back. I can show you also the other screen. You can see that both the player will see exactly the same. So it is working in the multiplayer situation. You can use the camera to make something else. Here, if you go in details, you can see that you have another camera mode, and if you leave your mouse here, you can see 0 is zooming and 1 is blocking. So if you go here, you can put it to 1, and you will have something else to configure. You can take this and put it here, and you will have to disconnect this and this. Take the AC MTC multiplayer top-down, and here you have X tests and Y tests, not Y, Y test. Okay, and here you can just have a branch like this, and here you can have another branch like this. And you can see that it is needing X and it is needing Y. You can take the X from here, and you can take the Y from here. And last thing you have to do is to search for a sequence node here. Put this like this, and the second node of the sequence, you can put it in the Y and put it like this. If you click play, you can of course make it cleaner. And if you click play, sorry, if you click play here, it will be better. Now, if I go to the extremity of the screen, you can see that my player is stopping itself as soon as it is near the border. And you can see also that the other player will block as soon as it is going near the border. Okay, if you want the player to have the screen to have a bigger border, you can just take your camera here, select your camera, your MTC camera, and you can increase the size of the border. For example, if I put it here 25, it's 25% of the screen, and now my player will stop before. Here you can see that it is stopping before, and the same if I go there. The screen is a little bit smaller, but I think the better is to put it to 0.12. It's like 12%, but it is as you want. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you, and bye bye.